Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to discuss one of the most important tools for university students, the laptop. If you are a student, choosing the right laptop can be confusing because of the variety of models, specifications, and price ranges available. In this video, we'll explain the types of laptops, their specifications, and compare them in terms of price, quality, and speed, so you can make the best choice for your study needs. There are mainly 5 types of laptops for students. Basic laptops are affordable and simple, good for assignments, browsing, and online classes. Ultrabooks are slim and lightweight laptops that are fast and have an SSD for storage. They are ideal for students who want a portable laptop for taking notes and doing research. 2-in-1 convertible laptops, or the touchscreen laptops. They work as both a laptop and a tablet, good for presentations and note-taking. Gaming laptops are powerful machines suitable for computer science, engineering, and graphic design students who need high performance for heavy software and gaming. MacBooks are known for their premium quality and excellent performance. They are good for creative fields like design, media, and software development. Now let's talk about the key specifications to consider when buying a laptop for university. The processor or CPU, the Intel i5 or i7 or AMD Ryzen 5 or Ryzen 7 is good for better multitasking. RAM, at least 8 GB, but if you plan to use heavy software, then 16 GB is ideal. Storage, the SSD is much faster than the HDD, so at least 256 GB SSD is required, but 512 GB SSD is recommended. The battery life should be at least 6 to 8 hours for university use. Weight and portability, of course, lightweight laptops are better for students who carry them daily. Now we will discuss the price and quality comparison of laptops. Now let's talk about the speed and performance of different types of laptops. Basic laptops are slower, but they are budget-friendly and good for students who don't need heavy software. Ultrabooks are fast and smooth and are the best choice for most students. Gaming laptops are very fast and powerful, but they are heavy and expensive. MacBooks are also very fast and have excellent battery life, but they are costly. So at the end, we will give you some recommendations for buying a laptop. For arts, social sciences, and business students, basic laptops or ultrabooks are enough. For computer science and engineering students, a mid-range gaming or performance laptop is suitable. For design, architecture, and media students, a MacBook or a high-performance ultrabook is recommended. So friends, these were the different types of laptops for university students along with their specifications, price, and performance comparison. Before buying, always check what your degree requires and balance between your budget and performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides. And if you have any questions, queries, or suggestions, please comment down below. Thanks for watching.